Hello viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something really exciting, beautiful, light to eat and fantastic shrimp burger. For that I need some shrimp. We're going to put it in a blender and we're going to blend it. Viewers, we're going to blend all together. Viewers, this is my blended shrimp paste. Viewers, we're going to put some chili paste now. That's our chili paste. We're going to add some green pepper, some red pepper, some yellow pepper, fresh coriander, chopped green chilli. We're gonna add some salt and some pepper. Now we're gonna mix them up. Viewers, we're gonna put a little bit of oil in the pan. We put a cutter there. Viewers, if you have the cutter, then it's fine. If you don't have the cutter, don't worry. You can use your hand, make like a petty shape and do it. Viewers, now we're going to take the cutter off. We're going to turn them off now. Viewers, my burger is ready. Now we're ready to serve. Viewers, that's my burger roll. It's been toasted. Now we're gonna add a little bit of, tiny bit of mayonnaise to it. Little bit of tomato ketchup. We put our burger patties. We're gonna garnish it with a few cucumbers. And a sliced tomato. Look at that, how beautiful they look. And that's the lid. That's my beautiful, yummy, delicious shrimp burger. Enjoy and bon appetit. Viewers, that's my beautiful, yummy shrimp burger. Yum, delicious, I can't wait. Enjoy and bon appetit.